Hey everyone, so as you know, we just got married about 6 months ago. And naturally we decided that of course we'd like to add to our family, but we didn't think that we were quite ready for a real baby, so we thought we'd go the typical way of, adopting a pet first, so we can prepare ourselves for parenthood. So of course we decided that we would do a cat, not a dog. We all know how dogs are. So we went to the rescue shelter and picked out our first furry friend and gave it a name and everything. So we'd love to introduce to you our new baby, Dreamy. So obviously Dreamy is just the perfect cat. She's well-mannered, she always wants to be with us, she likes that she's affectionate, and there's no place she would rather be. Right? Would you agree?
Yeah, of course.